Hello. In this video, I'll show you how DJs can use artificial intelligence to build better playlists, faster and easier. Welcome to the Digital Bogdanovich channel. If you're a DJ, you know that the right music makes or breaks a set. But what if AI could help you pick the perfect tracks? Let's start with creating a playlist for a specific event. Need a set for a party, wedding, or open-air festival? Just ask AI something like, create a playlist for a high-energy electro house party, 125, 130 BPM. It scans music platforms like Spotify or Beatport, looks at BPM, key, energy, track popularity, and gives you a ready-made set. You can then test it out and tweak as needed. Already have a list of tracks, but want to organize them better? Give AI your list, say 20 tracks, and ask it to sort them by energy, match the BPM for smoother transitions, and group them by musical key. What you get is a playlist that flows perfectly from start to finish. Quick tip, you can even send a screenshot from Rekordbox or your DJ app to save time. Now let's talk about selecting tracks by mood or style. Want to build a specific vibe? Try something like, find tracks similar to this one, or I want old school techno with a modern twist. You can also ask AI to build a journey. Give me a smooth progression from deep house to progressive. With the right prompt, AI helps you shape not just a playlist, but a whole musical story. So what's the takeaway? AI can be a super useful tool, but you're still the one in control. Set clear tasks and it becomes your ultimate assistant in playlist prep. Do you use AI in your DJ work? Got tips or questions? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.